So I hope you already have set up your environment setup. So let's just not waste more time and start creating our first app. So this is the command by which you can install your create your first app. This is the just a version you can type version like 0.64 0.74.1 etc if you want to create the app for specific version. Okay, let's just get started. I always recommend to create the app with updated version of React Native. Just okay, this is my terminal. For Windows users, you guys can open your command prompt, or yeah. So for Mac users, you guys can open your terminal, cd desktop. I'm gonna change my location where I want to create this app. So I'm going to my desktop. So here I will type npx react native and init. Now I'm gonna give the name to my app. So we can give any name to, like, I'm gonna give it crash course. You can type it awesome app, my first app, testing app, demo, and then click enter. As I have already created this app, so I'm not gonna create it again. It's already in my folder. This was just for you guys so that you can create. Okay, it will take a bit time. So once you will create your app, you just open the Visual Studio Code, then open your app, which will be on the desktop folder. Desktop here, crash course, open. Okay, so this is our, here we will write the code for our app. So this is the Android folder, iOS folder, node modules is here, package.json. So in this folder, whatever dependency we will install, those dependencies will come here. So we are using this React Native version, this React version, and I am using this latest Android Studio version as well for 2nd of August and 2023 today's date. Yeah, so I have just downloaded this Android Studio. So okay, now let's run our app on Android Studio. There are several ways to run the app on your React Native app. First, you can type npx React Native run Android. It will automatically launch your Android Studio. But for some of the you, if this doesn't work, I recommend you to always run your app like the way I'm just gonna do it. Just open the Android Studio code. So this is my Android Studio version. Okay, so open it. Okay, one second. I think I should explain this to you with okay. Once you will open your Android Studio, then just click open, desktop, then just okay, this is your app, crash course. Click Android, then open. Okay, this will open your Android Studio and your app on Android Studio. So it will just take some time to sync your project with Kotlin and etc. So just don't get nervous and give it some time. Okay, I hope you guys know how to create the emulator in Android Studio. If you don't know, then let me just tell you. You just have to click here, device manager. If you can't see this option, you can come here like tools, then device manager. Okay, so just click device manager, create device. You can choose any mobile here, like whatever mobile you want to display. So I normally choose Pixel 6, but right now I'm already having the emulator. Once you will choose Pixel 6, then you will say next. I'm using this as API level 31, then next and finish. So it will create your virtual device like this. Then you just have to launch your virtual device from this, and it will start the virtual device for you. So I have already launched this before I made this video. That's why it's a bit quick, because I didn't want to waste your time. So that's why I already uh, kept everything ready. So whenever you will launch this device, it will take a bit time to start, and just wait for that. And once your device will be in this position, emulator, just click this one, react, run the app. So it's gonna just sync the code, this code. This is the app.tsx. This will be our home screen right now. So it's just gonna sync it and will install the app. Let's click build and see what's going. Okay, it's working. I hope it will install the app soon. I'm gonna guide you with each and every step so that you don't feel any issue. But if you are facing an issue, you can just comment on the video and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Okay, so it will take a bit. Okay, now it's installing the app, launching on device. Installed successfully, finished launching on device. The app, it will automatically launch our app. See, yeah. Okay, so finally we have launched our app for the first time on Android mobile. So I just don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna launch the app on iOS mobile in my next video. Okay, so this is the screen. This is the code which you guys are seeing on the screen. Let's say you want to change the welcome to React Native. Just check where it is. Okay, so read the doc screen. Okay, that's the status bar, header, screens. Let's just remove everything. I'm just gonna remove everything right now. So it's importing the header from where he is getting the header. Okay, yeah. So we are not gonna use this way. You can remove each and everything, because later on we are gonna make this our app navigator. So just remove everything. Status bar, I will tell you how to create your own custom status bar so that you can have full control on that. Okay, styles dot background, remove it. Okay, now just let's first let's save it and see what it's gonna give us. It's gonna give us an error. Just remove this. Okay, I recommend you to remove everything. Okay, that's good. Now just for you can play with this code to learn few things. So this is the one thing, if you can install extensions in your Visual Studio Code, then that will be more good than whenever you will type RFC and click, it will automatically create a functional component for you. And the other one was, I think, RFCE. Okay, so you have to install extensions for that, but let's get started. Type view, text, once again. So we're just gonna remove this div. This is actually the React what to say React extension, which is just providing me the facility to automatically create function for me. Okay, this is the view, like in HTML we use div. In this view you can type anything, text, import text from React Native. I suggest to import everything from React Native. Okay, so this is my first text. Control and see what's coming. It will show us. Okay, I did not run this command. If some of you guys will face an error with red screen, then just type this npm start. You just have to start your terminal. So it's gonna reload our app. You have to click R to reload your app and it will start reloading. Okay, let me, so this is my first text. It's written here. So you wanna etc etc. Okay, this is coming. So I hope you guys have understand everything until now. So let's just continue in our next video. But in the next video I will tell you how to uh, bring this text in the center, how to put background image, how to put normal image, how to design buttons, and yeah, that's all. And we are going to create a first learn the basics, and then we will create a tic-tac-toe app, which will be the first app for this course. And after creating the tic-tac-toe app, we will launch the app in iOS device as well through Xcode. So I hope you like this video, and I will keep making the video. Please keep supporting me so that I can get motivated. Thank you.